Welcome to Sitari TV. I'm your host, Tanya Gupta. I am with Niharika, who is the president of Cyber EDX, and she wrote a wonderful book, and she is here today to talk about it with us.
Tanya, thanks for having me. And so this is a book for business leaders on cybersecurity and compliance. So to give little background, I come from, I've been in this industry for last 25 years and I've witnessed so many breaches, security incidents, and I spoke to the co-author of this book, Sanjay Saxena, that we should do something about it. And we spoke to various people, various business leaders, and we asked them why all this is happening, whatever you see these days. And they said that security is too complicated, it's too complex, not accessible. So what we made sure is that we kind of make it simple and accessible through a lot of illustrations and really making it simple. So this book is for business leaders so that they can secure their companies, their businesses. Here it says, don't risk your business. And it's also for professionals who want to explore what cybersecurity is about so that they get an idea whether they want to work in cybersecurity or not.
I think this is actually a wonderful resource because there's so many scams happening around. They're increasing day by day, and I feel like with the increase of AI, the need for cybersecurity is increasing. So, do you want to show us a little bit inside the book too, because it's beautifully visual and
It's visual. So each chapter begins with a comic strip. And you'll see that everything is explained with visuals as much as we could do. And this is also, we tried to make it attractive by using a lot of colors, and the reason was that cybersecurity is dry, and we wanted to make it undry and unboring.
Yeah, no, I think that's great because I feel like it's just so hard to learn sometimes when it's dry and boring. But if I have a comic strip that has my attention, then, I'm definitely going to learn indirectly. Yeah, so I want to know actually who's the comedian or who is the, author of the comics?
So I'm the author. Yeah, and I have done that. I have illustrated this with Sanjay Saxena, who has co-authored. So both of us, we worked for last 3 years. We took interview of various people and talked to various people as to how to make it really fun and engaging.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much for doing this, and it was wonderful talking to you today.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you.